So now let's see how we can work around with the update, web sharing and country settings inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So if I were to go around under edit right here, under preferences, you can see that country and region is an option. And here you can see that by default, United States is selected. But if you have a different country or region, you can go around and select out that country and region over here, as you can see. So all of the countries are available, so you can simply go around and choose the one you like right here. So apart from that, you got the web sharing. So web sharing is just a way to check whether the sharing services are working fine. So you can go around and refresh it, and it says your services have been updated right here, just like this. So that's it. Then you can see the update right here. So it says automatically download and install updates. So you might have new features for the application, so you can allow the allow Adobe Premiere Elements to download and then install it automatically. Or you can notify me when an update is available, and you can also enable remind me later button, because sometimes you may be working on a project and you may not want to go around and update it immediately, or if you are not sure whether you want to update it because there may be a feature change, then you can use this option as well. And that is it. Those are the three simple options right here, the three simple preferences for update, web sharing right here. So you can go around and say this right here. So those are the three options for update, web sharing and country settings inside of Adobe Premiere Elements that you can change. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.